Welcome back to our flight discoveries, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're diving into the world of scale modeling as we take on the iconic Messerschmitt Bf 109. Get ready to witness the creation of this legendary aircraft from the ground up. The legend of the Messerschmitt Bf 109. The Messerschmitt Bf 109, a legendary fighter aircraft, holds a significant place in the annals of aviation history. Developed in the 1930s by Willy Messerschmitt, this iconic aircraft played a pivotal role during World War II. It became the backbone of the Luftwaffe and was involved in countless aerial battles across various theaters. With its distinctive, sleek design and powerful Daimler-Benz engines, the Bf 109 was admired for its agility and combat capabilities. Its advanced technology at the time made it a formidable adversary for the Allied forces. Pilots revered the aircraft for its responsiveness and versatility, making it a favorite amongst the German aces. Throughout its operational life, the Bf 109 underwent numerous modifications and upgrades, constantly evolving to meet the challenges of aerial warfare. Its dominance in the early stages of the war earned it the reputation of being the Luftwaffe's workhorse. In this video, we pay tribute to the legacy of the Messerschmitt Bf 109 and embark on a journey to recreate this magnificent aircraft in miniature form. Join us as we delve into the fascinating history of the Bf 100 and take on the challenge of building it from the ground up, unleashing the Luftwaffe's power. The Messerschmitt Bf 109, a marvel of engineering, unleashed the full might of the German Luftwaffe during World War II. As a symbol of German air supremacy, it soared through the skies with unmatched speed and agility, making it a feared opponent among Allied forces. Designed by Willy Messerschmitt, this single-engine fighter aircraft possessed a sleek and streamlined fuselage, allowing it to cut through the air with remarkable efficiency. Its powerful Daimler-Benz engine granted it incredible speed and climb rate, giving German pilots a crucial advantage in aerial combat. The Bf 109's outstanding maneuverability and weaponry made it a formidable dogfighter, excelling in high-speed aerial duels. Its dominance in air-to-air combat became a significant factor in many pivotal battles, earning the respect of both friends and foes. Versatility and adaptability. The Messerschmitt Bf 109's versatility and adaptability were two key factors that set it apart from other aircraft of its time. Its design allowed for easy modifications, making it suitable for a wide range of combat roles. From its early variants as a pure fighter, the Bf 109 evolved to take on various missions, including ground attack, reconnaissance, and bomber interception. Its success in these roles can be attributed to its robust airframe, powerful engine, and agile handling. In the Battle of Britain, the Bf 109 proved its prowess as an agile dogfighter, engaging in intense aerial duels against the Royal Air Force. Later in the war, it demonstrated its effectiveness in ground attack mission, providing crucial support to German ground forces. This adaptability made the Messerschmitt Bf 109 a favorite among pilots, as it allowed them to tackle different challenges in the ever-changing landscape of aerial warfare. Its reputation as a reliable and versatile aircraft cemented its place in aviation history. Combat-proven and battle-hardened, the Bf 109 earned its reputation as a true ace-maker, with countless skilled pilots achieving remarkable success flying this aircraft. Its advanced technology, combined with the skill of its pilots, resulted in numerous victories during dogfights. Impact on Eastern Front. The Messerschmitt Bf 109's impact on the Eastern Front during World War II was nothing short of remarkable. As German forces clashed with the Soviet Air Force in some of the most intense and grueling aerial battles, the Bf 109 proved to be a formidable adversary. With its agility, speed, and firepower, the Bf 109 played a crucial role in maintaining air superiority over the vast and challenging Eastern territories. German aces flying the Bf 109 recorded numerous victories against overwhelming odds, making it a symbol of the Luftwaffe's might during the Eastern Campaign. However, the Eastern Front also exposed some of the Bf 109's limitations, such as its reduced operational range and vulnerability to the harsh weather conditions. Despite these challenges, the aircraft's adaptability and the skill of its pilots ensured its continued dominance in the eastern skies. Today, the legacy of the Bf-109 on the Eastern Front stands as a testament to the courage and determination of both the aircraft's pilots and the ground crews that supported them in their quest for aerial supremacy. Challenges and limitations. As impressive as the Messerschmitt Bf-109 was, it faced several challenges and limitations that impacted its performance during World War II. One of the most notable drawbacks was its limited range, restricting its operational radius and necessitating frequent refueling and rear maintenance. Additionally, the Bf-109's design offered minimal protection for its pilot, leaving them vulnerable to enemy fire. Many brave pilots faced considerable risks due to this deficiency, making survival in dogfights a daunting task. Moreover, the aircraft's performance at high altitudes suffered, affecting its capabilities against certain Allied aircraft. This limitation posed significant challenges during encounters with advanced adversaries like the British Spitfire and American PAI-51 Mustang. Despite these shortcomings, the Messerschmitt Bf-109 remained a feared adversary in the hands of skilled pilots. It is a testament to the ingenuity of its design and engineering that the aircraft continued to make a significant impact on aerial warfare throughout its service life. Influence on aviation design. The Messerschmitt Bf-109 was a groundbreaking aircraft that left an indelible mark on the world of aviation design. Its innovative features and engineering principles set new standards for future aircraft development. The Bf-109's sleek and aerodynamic design, coupled with its advanced technology, provided it with unmatched speed and maneuverability for its time. Its streamlined fuselage, elliptical wings, and retractable landing gear became a template for subsequent fighter aircraft. Moreover, the use of the Daimler-Benz engine and the concept of a liquid-cooled power plant in a fighter aircraft proved to be a game-changer. This design approach influenced the development of future aircraft engines, increasing their performance and reliability. The lessons learned from the Bf-109's combat performance also led to advancements in cockpit layout and visibility, as well as the arrangement of armament for optimal effectiveness. Overall, the Messerschmitt Bf-109's pioneering design and engineering continue to resonate in the aviation industry, leaving a lasting legacy that has shaped the evolution of fighter aircraft to this day. Post-war service and legacy. Beyond its wartime exploits, the Messerschmitt Bf-109 found new life in the post-war era, leaving a lasting legacy in the annals of aviation history. Several countries, including Spain and Switzerland, continued to operate modified versions of this iconic aircraft well into the 1950s. The Bf-109's enduring reputation as a fearsome fighter led to its adoption by various air forces around the world. Its combat-proven design made it an attractive choice for nations seeking capable and reliable aircraft during tumultuous times. Moreover, the aircraft's design principles heavily influenced future aviation developments. Its innovative features, such as the closed canopy and retractable landing gear, became standard in subsequent fighter aircraft. Today, restored Bf-109s can be seen gracing the skies at air shows and events, offering a glimpse into the past and a chance to witness the raw power of this historic warbird. As we honor its contributions, the Messerschmitt Bf-109 remains a symbol of bravery, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in the world of aviation. The Messerschmitt Bf-109's impact on aviation and history cannot be understated. As we've seen today with our miniature model, its story continues to inspire aviation enthusiasts and historians alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable history of the Messerschmitt Bf-109. Remember to share your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more captivating aviation content. Until next time, blue skies,